transforming the ordinary into extraordinary with just a touch of elegance. Discover the versatility of slatted wood panels. So, what are slatted wood panels? Simply put, they are panels made up of horizontal wooden slats, creating a unique surface for both functional and decorative purposes. From patios and decks to room dividers and wall features, slatted wood panels are a versatile addition to your home's design. Their use dates back to ancient times and has been part of many architectural styles. Today, they are popular in contemporary designs due to their visually interesting appeal. From oak, walnut, redwood, and mahogany to more affordable options like pine and spruce, slatted panels can be made of a variety of wood types to suit your style and environment. The aesthetic appeal of slatted wood panels is undeniable. The natural patterns and textures of the wood offer a unique warmth and richness that can fit any design style. Improved ventilation is another great benefit. The slatted design allows air to circulate, keeping your spaces cool and comfortable. Want enhanced privacy without compromising style? Slatted wood panels make the perfect privacy screen, creating a secure barrier without blocking out the world completely. And don't worry about maintenance. With regular cleaning, they can last for years. Any damaged panels? Easy to replace. Want some design inspiration? Use them as a focal point in your living room. Create unique headboards in your bedroom, or add rustic charm to your kitchen cabinetry. Outdoors, they can be stylish fencing or privacy screens, deck accents, or even trellises for your climbing plants. In conclusion, slatted wood panels offer endless design possibilities. They are a versatile and stylish addition to your home, combining aesthetic appeal with practical benefits. Embrace the beauty of slatted wood panels and let your creativity soar. Visit our website poshwood.com for more details and ideas on how to enhance your home with slatted wood panels.